下議院嘅會議，聯邦保守黨黨魁博勵治就聯邦綠色科技基金問題繼續要求自由黨政府交出相關文件。富人政團黨魁布蘭切特就表示支持自由黨政府最後限期嘅日子所剩無多。張桂葉嘅報導。
下議院因為聯邦保守黨拉布而導致其他法案嘅辯論同投票被擱置。黨魁博勵治繼續質問自由黨政府點解仲唔將綠色基金相關文件交俾皇家騎警。
But unfortunately, the Prime Minister has paralyzed Parliament by refusing your ruling directing his government to turn over evidence in the $400 million green slush fund scandal that the Auditor General says involves 186 conflicts of interest. Wow. With the chair of the fund found guilty, what has he got to hide?
下議院政府領袖古爾德就指責博勵治冇講真話。
Mr. Speaker, the leader of the opposition is not being truthful with Canadians. It is the RCMP commissioner himself who said the RCMP's ability to receive and use information obtained through this production order and under the compulsory powers afforded by the Auditor General Act in the course of a criminal investigation could give rise to concerns under the Canadian Charter of Rights and Freedoms. It is therefore highly unlikely that any information obtained by the RCMP under the motion where privacy interests exist could be used to support a criminal prosecution or further a criminal investigation.
而喺下議院外，夫人政團黨魁布蘭切特表示，夫人政團可能會喺幫助自由黨俾下議院事務重新啟動方面發揮作用，但佢嘅幫助係有代價㗎。佢話自由黨想喺遇到不信任動議時獲該黨支持，就要喺今個月29號前滿足佢哋嘅要求，支持增加老人金 C319 法案，以及確保保護本國農產品供應管理系統嘅私人法案獲得批准。